Round 3 selection provisional list is finally out, which means you either take the college that you have gotten, you either take the best college possible, you either go to the stray vacancy round, or you like just get out of the entire counseling process. So in this video, I'll be just guiding you all everything what to do after round 3 and the steps to go further. So if you are interested, then keep watching. So, hello everyone. Hi, I'm Prapti, a first year physiotherapy student, and welcome to a new video, a new counseling related video. So, as most of you all might know that the provisional selection matrix for round 3 has finally come, which means that you have been allotted whatever college uska pura list aa gaya hai on the CT website. In case you haven't checked it yet, you can go CT वाली website पे and see कि तुम्हें कौन सी college मिली है. So now that you have gotten a college, what is to be done next? Remember one thing, that this is the last college जो तुम्हें मिली है. This is the final college and this actually decides like your entire career, your entire how your college life, how your university, everything will be. So now after that you have gotten a college, what has to be done next, in what steps? We will be just talking about it in this video. So the first thing would be that you have gotten a college. Now it can be like you have gotten an upgradation, let's say कि पहले तुमने X college डाली थी and you wanted Y college, so now you have gotten Y college. So now that you have gotten your Y college, first you have to go to the X college and ask them to cancel your admission over there. फिर तुमने वहां पे जो भी documents submit किए होंगे, you are supposed to like go take that documents and go to the Y college then and confirm your admission there, which means that you have gotten an upgradation, which means you have gotten a better college. So then you have to take your final admission in the Y college. This is case 1. Now case 2 would be कि तुमने round 2 में X college ली and you did not fill the retention form, which means that abhi round 3 में if you got the same X college as your allotted college, then you have to go to the X college and then confirm your admission. Like they give you forms and everything to fill कि तुम्हारा admission confirm है. So go confirm your admission in the X college, because you cannot have a further upgradation anymore. Round 3 is done. इसके बाद stray vacancy आएगा and everything, which is a different topic. But if you have been allotted a college, you have to compulsorily go to the college and take admission there. Now the basic steps, that firstly like you have to go to the college, right? Second, खुद का allotment letter जो भी है website से download that letter and then go to the college as soon as possible. Don't try to delay it anyhow. Okay, so as we were talking, so as now that you have to report to college, so your date of reporting to college is from 7th to 12th, right? So you have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 6 days to yourself, which is a very long time. So I would personally suggest you try to go as soon as possible, like 7th, 8th, या 9th तक go to the college and meet and confirm your admission, because by just in case if there is any issue in your documents, any DD, like something is just wrong, so you have time to rectify it within the time period that is allotted to you. So I would suggest ki jaldi se jaldi go to the college and get your admission confirmed, and this is your last chance. Agar you miss this chance, then I'll tell you what happens. So this is the first step. Also when you go to the college, I feel जिसने भी अभी round 2 या round 1 में दूसरी कोई college ली होगी, they have a clear idea on what has to be done now. But get all your documents properly. उसकी 2 3 4 xerox, your passport size photos. Make sure everything is on place when you go, because don't miss out on any sort of document, because it's like तुम्हें आगे जाके तुम्हें will have to get the things again and everything. So make sure one time may you do everything, all the neat documents. If you have a category, all category documents, SSC, HSC, everything. Like there's a proper list of. I also have another video completely talking only about the documents. So if you are confused, you can go watch that and understand कि क्या documents कैसे लेके जाने हैं. The next category of people would be that who have not gotten a college. Like उसमें लिखा आया है choice not available. So maybe that your like this has happened because your score is less or your expectations of getting a college were too high कि तुमने सिर्फ government college डाल दी and तुम्हें वो नहीं मिली. Because A now seats are very less left. So भले like your score is decent, like मिल सकता है if category and everything है, but you should always have a backup plan is what I think if you genuinely want to join physiotherapy as a career. So the career matters, the college definitely matters, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to say कि एक दो कॉलेज नीचे आप डाल सकते हो is what I feel. So now who have not gotten a college, don't lose hope. I understand that you are still हच्चू डच्चू की अभी तुम क्या करोगे, but now you all have another stray vacancy round to yourself. But for now you don't have to do anything, you are खुद से ही passed on to stay vacancy round. So yeah, I feel that please be more mindful about like filling your choices and everything properly, analyzing कि कैसे क्या, like watch the virtual vacancy वाला PDF, बाद में वो uh, जो जिधर सीट मैट्रिक्स निकलता है कि पता चले कितनी सीट बची है, कौन सी कैटेगरी में क्या बची है, कौन सी सीट्स होल्ड करके रखी है. So when you see all of these things, it becomes very easy for you to understand कि तुम्हें ये कॉलेज में एडमिशन मिलेगा कि नहीं. Because once you see all of these, you understand कितनी seats बची है. For example, you want Somaiya, you want Terna, you want MGM, तो एक एक कॉलेज का खुद देखो. If you are from Nagpur and you want some college, if you are from Pune, you want Sancheti Modern, you don't want Mumbai colleges, तो search for Pune की colleges, like whatever college you want, try to understand कि actually में realistically वो college में will you get an admission or will you not get an admission, because bringing your dreams is not the thing you can do here, because you're missing out on opportunities, you're missing out on seats. And stray vacancy में हर एक like top colleges की seats ज़्यादा नहीं बचती है. So just in case if anyone is scoring more than you or scoring less than you and has a category, they have a benefit in stray vacancy round. So don't think कि मिल जाएगा. It is not very easy because seats नहीं बचती है इतनी. So the only option for y'all if you want admission in physiotherapy is you can take it via stray vacancy round, which will be conducted online only via the CET की website पे ही वो stray vacancy round भी होगा, like normally जैसे round 3 और वो सब हुआ. And you can take either government colleges में और either private colleges में. Now, if you like don't want to go with stray vacancy and you feel it's a risk or whatever, there's a one more option for you all, which is IQ quota, management quota. जहाँ पे like private colleges में like government colleges में नहीं होता IQ quota, you only have it in private colleges. So even in private colleges you have to like keep checking their website and everything. फिर तुम्हें college में call करना है कि कैसे IQ quota का होगा. And remember, in IQ quota, you have to pay 3 times the fees. For example, एक कॉलेज की फीस है 2 लाख, तो तुम्हें IQ कोटा में अराउंड 5.5 to 6 lakh rupees भरने पड़ेंगे per year for all the 4.5. Now you all have 5, so all the 5 years you have to fill that fees. So, like, only if you can afford taking IQ quota, then go for it, or else participate in stray vacancy and try to get a good college now. Also, now, अगर तुम्हें एक कॉलेज मिली है in round 3 and now apparently have gotten a college in round 3, for example एक कॉलेज मिली है, but now you don't want that college, like you are like मुझे वो कॉलेज नहीं पसंद है, or overall like you made some mistake in the choice filling everything. So now if you don't take admission in that one college, you are out of the counseling process completely. You can't participate in stray vacancy, you can't even re-register for stray vacancy. In short, you're just out of the counseling process completely. So it is very important to take admission in whatever college you have gotten until you are taking IQ quota. तो इसमें बहुत टाइप के लोग होंगे, people who are like applying for group B courses, Ayurveda, homeopathy, whatever. So if they're happy with those colleges, go for it, whatever you wish. If you don't want those colleges or whatever, and तुम्हें physiotherapy ही करना है, even though you have gotten like a decent college, take it, because you don't have an option at this point. Even if you want to go for upgradation, you can't go for an upgradation, right? So this is kind of sad that if you don't take admission, remember कि you will be out of the counseling process. Also अभी जो ये choice filling and everything हुआ, उसके बाद now you will go for a physical verification, which I told you is from 7th to 12th. So in this physical verification process, try to go as soon as possible. Also, as we have spoken about stray vacancy, IQ quota, तो जैसे ही 12th को these physical joining finishes, I feel after some time, थोड़ा सा I feel 1 week के बाद this stray vacancy can start. The schedule will be out, so I'll be updating you all कि stray vacancy में कैसे क्या करना है, what are the rules for stray vacancy, etc. So stay tuned for that. And also I feel that ki stray vacancy mein, now that it is your last chance, try to fill more colleges, because getting into best college via stray vacancy is like okay until your score is exceptionally high. But even if your score is exceptionally high, you should have gotten a college in round 3. I feel that this brings us to end of today's video, because all the probable scenarios जो भी हो सकते थे, we have already discussed them below. Try to avoid all these common mistakes कि पहले तो जल्दी जाओ, don't miss your seat. Then keep checking the CT website for any updates or anything like that. So don't wait for any miracles to happen in stray vacancy round. Be very straight, fill more colleges if you want a college. And yeah, that's it. I really, if you like still haven't gotten a college, I would really like to tell you all that it's okay. You still have stray vacancy rounds to go. अभी exactly नहीं पता कितने stray vacancy कैसे क्या होगा. Once the schedule is out, we understand better on that part. So I feel that it's fine. Means नहीं मिली तो भी मिल जाएगी. It is like be more mindful, understand the preferences, understand the pattern of admission and everything, so that you get admission into a good college now. And if you have gotten a college, I am super happy for you all and congratulations, because this is the college you all will be in for 4.5, 5 years now. So all the best for your new journey. For people who have gotten and have like confirmed the college now, I feel that physiotherapy in general is not a very um career which people are very like aware of and understand the importance of it. But now that I enter this field and my first year is coming to an end, and I just feel that it is beautiful and I'm loving it. I'm very happy with the choice I made, and it has been a beautiful journey for me, Murapura first year. I really want to make a whole new video on talking about how my first year experience was, and what I have done, what I have learned, and how I am super happy. So, yeah, all the best for your new journey. Can't wait to see my immediate seniors doing very, very well, the academics everywhere, whatever college you all are from. So, yeah, this brings us to end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.